So, we're talking about essential oils in food. It's amazing to use for extra flavor when you want something healthier than, say, food flavoring that is made from chemicals. I'm going to highlight Citrus Fresh Vitality. It is labeled for internal consumption and food use. Perfect for making a delicious whipped cream. And I'm actually going to show you how to do it and speed up the video during the whipping part. I like to use organic heavy whipping cream. A vanilla stevia. If you're on the keto bandwagon, this is a perfect, delicious dessert topping, or sometimes I just eat it out of the bowl like it is. I do about, not that much. Stevia is pretty sweet. Now, I like to have really intense full flavor, so I'm actually going to do 3 drops. But if you're just starting out, or you're serving something to people who are not used to intense spices or flavors, go light. Start with 1 drop. It is so good. You absolutely have to try this.